Hi, in front of me I have INTEX Aqua Shine, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open Google Chrome. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When the screen flashes like this, that means we took the screenshot. We can open the notifications, and here, as you can see, we have screenshot captured. We can either share it or delete it if you want. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.